Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my kitchen. This is Loki, and tonight we are going to be making the most moist and delicious and easy to make banana bread that you've ever had in your entire life. I promise you that. No one has ever turned it away, and they always ask for more. And in my house, when I make banana bread, I make 2 of them and they're gone in 3 days. So let's get started, shall we? We have some dark brown sugar, we have some milk, white sugar, a stick of butter, baking powder, vanilla flavor, which is optional, but I use it all the time. We have flour, 4 bananas, 4 large eggs, and optional if you don't like nuts or chocolate chips, you don't have to, but we love them, so we're going to make 1 pan with those ingredients and 1 without, so you can see both. So let's get started, shall we? First things first, you're going to set your oven preheated to 350. Then you're going to take your bananas, peel them, put them in the bowl. Then we're going to mash it up with a fork. The softer the banana is, the more ripe, the easier it is to mash up. When that's done, you want to add 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 3/4 of a cup of white sugar, add your vanilla flavoring, give it a good mix, add your 8 tablespoons or half a cup of softened butter. To soften it, you can put it on the counter, but if you're in a rush, you can just pop it in the microwave for 10 seconds. Give it a mix. At this point, we'll crack our eggs. I'm using 4 extra large eggs. Mix it well. Make sure the eggs are evenly distributed. If you have a whisk, you can use that. I do not have one, I'm using just my fork. Adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm going to give that a good mix to make sure everything is incorporated and that there's no clumps of flour left over. Add your splash of milk. About half a teaspoon of baking powder. Give it a good mix. And this is what it should look like at the end. If it's chunky, it's okay. No clumps of powder, nice and smooth. This is the consistency that I have. Now I'm going to put this aside and let it rest for a few minutes while I prepare my bread pans. I have 2 8x8 bread pans, which I'm going to generously coat with some butter to make sure that the bread doesn't stick to the pan. Be generous with it or it will stick and it won't come out right. Don't be shy, make sure you get all up in there. Looking good, looking good. I have enough of the mixture where I'm going to eyeball 2 8x8 pans and fill it up about halfway for each. Smells so yummy, and in about 20 minutes my house is going to be smelling so good. Here's my second one, and in this one I'm going to add the walnuts and the chocolate chips. Absolutely cannot waste this, so I'm going to use a spatula to get everything out. So I'm going to be adding walnuts to both, but just chocolate chips to this one because this one's for me. And here I have my walnuts, which I'm just going to put on the top. I'm actually going to mix it in so it goes in all over the bread. I have about a half of a handful here. We don't really need to use that much because the bread is already sweet. So I'm just going to put it in here and give it a good mix around. Oh, it looks so good. And when I'm done, I'm just going to give it a shake, push it to the side, add my walnuts here, give it a good stir. This banana bread is by far the best I've ever had. I'm being totally honest with you, not because I'm making it, but because it just is. This is the perfect recipe. Over the years I perfected it, and it comes out perfect every time if you follow these steps. So let's see if our oven's ready. Oven set at 350. Set the timer for 1 hour. And all we have to do now is wait for these beautiful, moist, delicious, nutty, absolute most perfect banana breads to be ready. So when they're ready, we'll do that. I share these with all my friends and family, and I'm super excited to share all with my friend tomorrow. She's going to be so happy. And my kids are probably going to finish the one with the chocolate chips in one day. I can guarantee it. Perfection. Perfection in a pan. My bread sure got me waiting. All right, ready to go. Look at that, how beautiful. Let's take it out. Oh, it's hot. That beautiful color. Have my walnuts and my chocolate chips. Look at that beautiful perfection in a pan. It's warm, it smells sweet. Let me cut into this. Oh my God, I can't wait to eat it right now. And here you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our final product. Delicious, moist, sweet banana bread. Comes out perfect every single time. I already had a piece. It's so good, I couldn't wait. So if you want to store this, you can put it in an airtight container and you can keep it on the counter for you. Foil or a Ziploc bag, or you can put it in the fridge and heat it up when you're ready. You can have it for breakfast, lunch, snack, or for a dessert, you can put a nice scoop of vanilla ice cream on top of it. As for me, I'm going to eat it by myself, just like this, because it's perfect the way it is. Look at that chocolate melted in the walnuts. Oh my God. Okay, I gotta go because I have to finish my piece, but if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, give me a comment, show your love, share the love, and let me know if you made it and how it came out. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Ladies, feed your man or someone else will. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye. Thanks for watching. See you next time.